Hi everyone, and welcome to my presentation on Edpuzzle. My name is Enrique Santana Caballo. As you know, one image is worth thousands of words, and those videos are worth thousands of images. Videos are powerful ways to engage students and help them learn. They can be used to explain complex concepts, illustrate real-world applications, and provide opportunities for students to practice skills. The mix of images and words in the videos makes them a great deal tool to cater to different learners in the same strategy. Videos have also the capacity to explain more comprehensively a theme due to that same mix of sounds, images, and text altogether. In this presentation, I'm going to talk about Edpuzzle, a web-based platform that allows teachers to create interactive videos. With Edpuzzle, teachers can add questions, annotations, and feedback to videos. Students can then watch the video at their own pace and answer the questions. This allows teachers to differentiate instruction and provide personalized learning experiences for their students. I'm excited to share with you how Edpuzzle can be used to engage and differentiate instruction. Before we continue, this is going to be how our presentation is going to move. We will explore how Edpuzzle works. We will analyze the advantages of using Edpuzzle as well as its potential disadvantages. We will explore how Edpuzzle aligns with New York State Next Generation Standards in Science and UDL. We will dig into how you can differentiate instruction when using Edpuzzle. We will then explore the platform from my account, giving you a first-hand look at how Edpuzzle works in practice. And finally, we'll wrap up with a conclusion summarizing the key points of the presentation, followed by a list of references for further reading. What is Edpuzzle in the first place? One of the problems you might have when showing students a video, despite the benefits of video in education, is the students' actual engagement with the video. How can you make sure the students are actually watching the video and learning from it? That is when Edpuzzle comes into the equation. Edpuzzle is a web-based platform that allows teachers to create and share interactive videos for educational purposes. It was founded with the aim of reimagining the way videos can be used for teaching and learning. With Edpuzzle, teachers can take any video, trim it down to the necessary sections, and then add their own voiceovers and questions to make the video more engaging and interactive. This allows students to watch videos at their own pace and answer questions. Edpuzzle is widely used in schools all over the world and is a great tool for facilitating remote blended learning. How Edpuzzle works. Edpuzzle is a user-friendly platform that allows teachers to create interactive videos in a few simple steps. First, teachers find or upload a video. This could be a video from YouTube, Khan Academy, National Geographic, TED Talks, or even a video that you have created yourself. Once a video is selected, the teacher can trim the video to focus on the essential parts, and then add questions, annotations, and/or voiceovers at specific points in the video. This can be multiple choice or open-ended questions, comments, or notes. After the video is done, it is assigned to the students. As students watch the video and answer the questions, teachers receive real-time analytics on students' progress. This allows teachers to monitor students' understanding and provide timely feedback. Advantages of Edpuzzle. In the image, you can see actual screenshot of one of my videos in Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle offers several advantages for both teachers and students. It makes learning engaging and interactive by transforming passive video watching into an active learning experience. It allows for differentiated instructions as teachers can tailor the videos to meet the needs of individual students. It provides real-time analytics, giving teachers insight into students' understanding and progress. It's easy to use with a simple and intuitive interface, as you can see. This makes Edpuzzle a powerful tool for enhancing student learning and engagement. Disadvantages of Edpuzzle. While Edpuzzle offers many advantages, It's also important to be aware of its potential disadvantages. Creating interactive videos can be time-consuming, and finding or creating content that's appropriate for all grade levels can be challenging. Technical issues with their website or app can disrupt lessons. The need for reliable internet access can create barriers for some students. Additionally, the grading system for multiple choice questions is all or nothing, which can be limiting if you want to assign partial credit for certain answers. Despite these challenges, with careful planning and implementation, Edpuzzle can still be a highly effective tool for enhancing students' learning and engagement. Edpuzzle aligns well with the New York State Next Generation Standards in Science. These standards emphasize hands-on learning, individualized instruction, ongoing assessments, and science literacy, all of which are key features of Edpuzzle. With Edpuzzles, students can practice and apply scientific skills and concepts through interactive videos. They can work at their own pace, allowing for individualized instruction. Additionally, Edpuzzle provides immediate feedback for students' progress, helping teachers monitor students' understanding and adjust instruction as needed. Edpuzzle can also be used to enhance students' understanding on scientific texts and concepts, supporting a standard focus on science literacy. This combination makes Edpuzzles a valuable tool for teaching the New York Standard Next Generation Standards. Edpuzzle is a powerful tool for differentiating instruction and aligning with UDL principles. Teachers can add different types of questions to videos, adjust the difficulty level of questions, and create different versions of the same video to cater to different learning needs and levels. Furthermore, Edpuzzle supports the UDL principles of providing multiple means of representation, action and expression, and engagement. For example, teachers can provide multiple means of representation by using videos with subtitles or voiceovers, multiple means of actions and expression by allowing students to respond to questions in different ways, and multiple means of engagements by adding interactive elements to videos. This makes Edpuzzle a flexible and inclusive tool that can cater to a diverse range of learners. Now that we've discussed what Edpuzzle is, how it works, its advantages, disadvantages, and how it aligns with educational standards and principles, let's take a closer look at the platform. I will now take you through a live demo of Edpuzzle. This will give you a better understanding of features and functionalities and how it can be used to create engaging and interactive learning experiences. So let's dive in and explore the puzzle to the actual representation. This is my content on Edpuzzle. When you first go to Edpuzzle, as you see, you have add content here. It will take you to Discover, which you have several thousands of videos. You have community YouTube, that's cool. You can come up here and search for more videos. Once you save the video, they will go automatically into your content. So let's go back. As you can see, I have all the videos that I have modified or made myself. I can organize them in folders or videos or projects, depending. I have my classes. Here I have archive classes too, and I have some notifications. So as you can see, each video gives you the length of the video once it's trimmed and the amount of questions. So let's get into this video, for example. So if you want to make a different video, you can edit. This video was already assigned to my students. So we can share a preview with a different teacher. We can make it public or no to be available for all teachers to see and watch. And you can assign to a new class if you want to. These are the different versions of this same video from other teachers. As you can see, there are 554 other video versions out of this video made from different teachers. So I have all these questions here. Either open-ended, multiple choice, open-ended questions. In this case, I don't have notes. So if we go for a second to Edpuzzle Originals, you can see they have different disciplines that you have. In my case, it will be science. So I can select the different classes, or I can go straight to, for example, middle school science, which will have several videos that applies. Now, for example, if I go to this one, it will tell me to edit. I have 115 older video lessons versions of that video. If you go to edit, and you have the open questions, you have the option to cut and trim the video. You have the option to add a voiceover at the moment you want in the video. And you can add questions, either multiple choice, open-ended questions, or just add notes. If you want to skip to those questions, here are the points on the video where the questions are. These are the questions that you can edit. Once you edit the question, the video will go into your personal videos because it's one more version of that same video. So it doesn't really matter. You can move a little bit.
When your stomach is empty, it sends a signal to the brain. Which direction does that first signal travel?
This is a very similar version to how students will see it. Then they will have the, in this case, it's a multiple choice questions. As you can see, it only allows you to select one right questions, one correct questions out of every other options that you add there. That's why I say it's all or nothing. If you want to add partial credits for different options here, you will need to do it by hand, student by student. Afterwards, option of doing open-ended questions, like this one, for example, is an open-ended question. So if we go back, I think we covered everything. I'm just go back to the video preview. Again, we have the Edpuzzle originals. And we have Discover just to look for videos, or you can completely add content and start from zero. And you have a help center that can add you, that can help you to either Google Classroom integration, LMS integrations, managing my classes, etc. As a conclusion of our work, wrapping up this presentation, I want to highlight some key takeaways about Edpuzzle. First, Edpuzzle is a powerful tool for enhancing students' engagement and interactivity. It allows us to transform traditional video watching into an active learning experience, which increases students' participation. Edpuzzle supports differentiation. It allows us to cater to diverse learning needs and differences, making it a valuable tool for creating inclusive learning environments. Edpuzzle aligns well with the principles of universal design for learning. It provides multiple means of representation, action and expression, and engagement, which are core components of UDL. Edpuzzle features, along with New York State Next Generation Standards in Science, it supports hands-on learning, individualized instruction, ongoing assessments, and science literacy, which are all emphasized in these standards. Lastly, despite its advanced features, Edpuzzle is user-friendly and accessible. It can be used effectively by teachers of all tech level, and it's suitable for all grade levels. Now, while Edpuzzle offers significant benefit, it's also important to consider potential challenges. These include the time required to create interactive videos, the need for reliable internet access, and the all or nothing grading system for multiple choice questions. However, with careful planning and implementation, these challenges can be managed. I encourage you all to explore Edpuzzle and consider how it might enhance your teaching practice. Remember, every new tool has a learning curve, but the potential benefit for students' engagement and learning are significant in the case of Edpuzzle. Thank you for your time today. These are my references and the video.